Hi everyone, in today's video we will talk about the Galaxy S24 Plus. We will find out the reasons that why it is the best choice for you. Design wise this model is different from previous model. Check out the frames and you will notice a major change. Unlike the previous model with the curved glossy frame which gives a lot of fingerprints, this year's complete matte finish gives a premium look. Let's see why it's a perfect choice in terms of size. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is significantly larger than the S24 Plus. While the S24 Ultra features an S Pen, often unused, the S24 Plus might be a better choice if you don't need the pen. The size of the S24 Plus hits the sweet spot. It's not too small or too large, just perfect. The S24 Plus features one of Samsung's best smartphone displays. S24 Plus matches the S24 Ultra resolution with a higher pixel per inch for sharper visuals, and it also shares the same 2600 nits of brightness. The Exynos 2400 performance has significantly improved from the previous model. S24 Plus is ideal for those who don't prioritize gaming on their phone. This year S24 Plus began with 12GB of RAM, a notable improvement from the last year 8GB RAM. Let's talk about the cameras. The S24 Plus does a great job at 1x and 3x optical zoom. You will get very good picture with these lenses. The night mode is quite impressive even in challenging situations. It's not necessary for you to get the S24 Ultra unless you really want 100x zoom and 200 megapixel high resolution camera. The stabilization works very good even walking fast. This year it's all about the Galaxy AI cool features and you get all of these on the S24 Plus too. This year S24 Plus comes up with a 4900 mAh battery which is actually more than the last year model. If you are looking to get Galaxy S24 series, you should consider all the points that I just mentioned here. Thank you.